Listen, you gotta stand up from your slumber and face your fear. Let the poor breathe. Why are you so fearful? What is that? Listen, you gotta sit up for your right, stand up for your right, and face your fear. Say no to any kind of abuse and discrimination against any man or woman because God created us equal. Yes, that's exactly what you heard. God created us equal, so let the poor breathe. Stand up for your right, quick. You can't sow cassava to reap up cocoyam. Whatever you sow in this world, surely you must reap. You understand me? So get up from your slumber and face your fear, whether you like it or not. I want you to stand up right now.